What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is gonna be a little different. Right now I decided to pick up the camera, but I'm actually rewiring the G8. Here's door speakers, and they are the same CT sound. I'll put the link in the description up there. I'm actually giving each speaker a channel. So my CT sound amp did come in. Took about 6 months to get this amp in. I already did that side, that door speaker. I did that door speaker, and as you can see, those are wired up to their own channel. So pretty neat. It should sound a lot better. I will be upgrading the door speakers to the BIOS, because these are the CT Sound Stratos. They're gonna get their own channel, so it's gonna sound a lot better. Just with the DS18s I have back here, the subs, it sounds amazing. I don't have the 12-inch subwoofer without it, but I'm gonna wire everything all back to how it is, and then I'm gonna put the subwoofer back on. I have a buddy of mine coming over and go bash my UDR, and he has his own little ring. So I'm waiting for him to come, then I'll stop working on this, and we'll see. We'll go from there. And of course, I'm gonna clean up the car, clean the seats. You know, it's been time. All right, so I did wire up the door. I went with the bigger grade wire, ran it through here, so I'm gonna go straight to the amp. Ignore the mess. I'm gonna clean it. Panels back on here. Look at that, raining. And the only thing I gotta do now is take this panel off and then run that wire. So like I said, I did pick up the camera a little late, just because I already had done this process in the video and everything, and it's already been done. But like I said, I'm doing it better this time so it can sound better. But I'm gonna show y'all the clip of the music and stuff like that. Other than that, it is CT Sounds. All amps. Here it is, the box that I just got. 6 months from overseas, pre-order, back order, or whatever it was, but it did take forever to get. And does come with some stickers, so I'm gonna throw this on the car. Probably this one, smaller. CT Sound. It is an 80x4, and like I said, door speakers are ran on his own channel, so it's gonna sound a lot better. Subwoofer has his own amplifier, and then the DS18's on the original factory amp, so it sounds amazing. The seats still good, dirty, I haven't cleaned them, so I'll clean those as well. And other than that, let me finish these doors and go ride this little RC car. Show us a few clips of those things. Alright, now that the speaker's out, this is the reason why I'm actually redoing the whole wiring system. I guess it got pinched on the window, and actually happened to all three of them. So the driver's front, passenger front, and then this one. Look how they're like getting corroded, and then they're just pinching off. So I didn't have no speakers at all for a little bit. That's why I decided just to do it all the right way. So I am using this 14 gauge speaker wire, and that's why I ordered that thing a long time ago. So when it got in, I was gonna redo everything, but this is gonna be the better way. It sounds good, and let's go ahead and run the wire. So I gotta run the wire, fish it out through this little tunnel here, put it in through here, run it here, and then go across, and then back into this back seat, and then into the amp. So should be good. A little hard on this side. The back ones are hard. All right, my boy just got here. He brought his truck, so we finished the car. Last speaker. And then we're gonna go ride these in the mud or something. But man, I forgot to put the camera high. What's up, Doug?
What's up, man? Chillin'.
His name's Jose. Got his Mojave. That thing's bad, dude. Go back.
Alright, guys, it is a week later. Forgot to record everything. We did have fun with the car over there. Broke it. Forgot to record. But I did get, my brother actually gave me these for my car. And they'll actually be better than the ones I have on the front. So I'm gonna do the fronts. The backs I'll leave alone still. I did finish the rears. You have the amplifier all set up and wired up. I do need to run a new RCA for the subwoofer. Let me show you what I got. Alright, so I got the CT sound. These are the upgraded version of the ones I already have. These are the Straddle series. The ones on my car are the Bio, which are cheaper. Here they are. Eventually I'll do the rears, but for now I'm gonna just do the fronts. That's where I'm at most of the time. Default 75 watt power and max power is 150. These on the front. But let me pull the car out here in a little bit. I'm gonna work on that real quick. I think I have a video where using them with my homie. But he's in here. I'm gonna try to fix it so we can use it again. Broke the gear on the deal, and then the motor burned up. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix this. Alright guys, I've been picking up some stuff for the G8s and my nephew's car. So stay tuned and subscribe. I'm gonna show you a little bit what it is. I did pick up a brand new GT bumper. It's gonna go on the wife's car. So if you're looking for a bumper, I am gonna take off the original one off the G8. Also picked these up for my nephew's ATS 2.0 turbo. And of course we'll probably have to cut it off here. Cut it here and here, get rid of this little angle, and then put it straighter and put these on the ATS. So see how that sounds. So ATS getting the exhaust. Also picked up a set of Corsa axle backs. Cut off right there, cut off over there. Gotta fix that. So I got two of those for my G8, which will go on that one. Nephew's ATS 2.0, wife's G8 GT. But I can't wait to get those installed. Also got two-step right here. Got a mess, so a lot of stuff. So subscribe. Alright, so here it is, guys. Sorry about the mess. Mirrors are installed. They were painted in the last video. Very smooth, very nice. They look pretty badass. I did upgrade the LED. Ran it through the door inside to the marker, and there they are tapped in. Should have used something better, solder. I'll do that later. I couldn't get the DRL to blink. But other than that, it looks pretty neat. Let me show you. So it's pretty neat. Pretty neat. I like it. So hit that. It blinks. Put the hazard lights on real quick. There it is, guys. Actually, so when you have the signals, you kind of see the sequential, but it ends over here somewhere. There you go. So pretty neat. I'm gonna change those out to the orange LED so I can match the sequential of those. And then whenever you have the DRL on, it should be white. But looks good. I like it.